guys, good morning to everyone. This is Jamyang. Ta-da! This is my new drone, and I'm so happy to get new drone. And I wish that I can show you every corner of Tibet with this DJ drone. It's snowing here in Chamdo, and again it's a beautiful morning, but a little bit cloudy. It's becoming more and more cold here in Chamdo. Anyway, I'm driving 350 kilometers today, and then we are going to see the gorgeous canyon. I hope that I can show you every single thing that I see.
Snowing!
For a long time I haven't used highway, and this highway was mainly leading us to Chamdo Airport, and from Chamdo it was approximately 120 kilometers, and this was open just recently, just at October 1st of 2020. The highway in Tibet, usually we can drive like 100 kilometers per hour. I'm here at Chamdo Airport, and this is the second highest airport in the world, with altitude of 4,390 meters above sea level. Couldn't believe the second highest airport in the world is right in front of me. Guess which is the highest airport in the world? And I'm here in Ponta town, and I'm gonna have a lunch here. Maybe my favorite Muslim noodles. There's a no-head cow, but his head was in dustbin looking for his lunch. Okay, Lanto ramen is really famous quick food. So this will be my lunch. 老板，有什么面好吃的？ Tastes really nice. I haven't had lamb for a long time. It's really interesting to dance on 5,000 meters.
Kom maar, gezien jij goed. Duydun dan nog voor deze.
Have to use lots and lots of energy. On this pass, we have 72 curved roads. See, 72 zigzag road like that. We have to drive down there, and then after that, we are going to reach straightly to 3,000 meters, because we are now at approximately around 5,000 meters. You know, so we're driving straightly down 2,000 meters from here. I guess we have to wait here for a while, because there are instructions from there. Maybe half an hour.
We see that Donald Trump is leading there by 1 point with 94% of the expected vote there. What's the story, do you think, there?
Anyway, Trump is catching up to Biden, because Biden is now with 224 votes and Trump is 213. In Tibet, we really wish that whoever do the president doesn't matter for us, but we only wish that bring peace by whoever did the president. this is the a deep canyon that I have told you this morning that we are going to visit today. And this deep canyon was actually flew all the way from Eastern Tibet and then was going to flew all the way in mainland China, and then they are going to call it Nujiang, and in Tibetan we call this canyon over here as Gemongmochu, okay? And then it flew all the way down to Myanmar, and then they are calling it Salvan River, and then finally it joins into Indian Ocean. Amazing, yeah? Again, it's a traffic under construction, road construction.
뭐야? 세리. 세리 로자.
They are praying for every living being. They are not praying for themselves. So I'm so happy to share some biscuits. Finally, I can drive. I've been waiting here more than an hour. Now the traffic is over. Lots and lots of cars been waiting here. We just found the thermos from the friends. Do you remember the cycler? Now I'm going to catch him and see if it is his. I'm not sure, but it looks like his thermos. Okay. 缘分呐！哎，谢谢，累死我了。哎，这。好，一路顺风，拜拜，谢谢，一路顺风。He was so happy after finding the thermos, you know. Anyway, it's a good coincidence. I've been seeing lots and lots of different colors of the mountains. I finally arrived here at Glacier. So this is the borderline between Chamdo and Gongbu, okay? This glacier was so beautiful. I haven't been that close to Glacier in my lifetime now. I'm going to show you how this beautiful Rawok Lake looks like, okay? So let's go to Ranwu Lake. Arrived here at Ranwu Lake. So this is Ranwu Lake. This is what we believe as a small mandala.
I like it.
It was so beautiful, isn't it? The lake, Ranwu Lake. I mean, with the mountains and small forests, and it's awesome. But in a while, I'm going to show you first another beautiful glacier, which is called Nato Glacier. Okay. So soon we will be at Nato Glacier, and Nato Glacier is really famous glacier in all over Tibet, especially in Lingdi. It is one of the most famous glacier. I mean, they actually do have lots and lots of other glaciers, but this is the most highest respected glacier of all other glaciers in Eastern Tibet. Farther more, and at to reach to the Nato Glacier, I have to walk for half an hour. So quiet here. I really wish I can stay here tonight. But there's no hotels or guest house. See, all down there actually are all also glacier. This glacier is also known by geologists as the World Wonder Glacier, you know. So this is all, guys. It's really beautiful, and I really recommend you guys also that you should visit this place, because it's really one of the most beautiful glaciers that I've ever seen in all over Tibet. And yeah, anyway, so this is what we call the majestic throne called Nato Pass. And now it's already 6:40, and I still have to drive more 56 kilometers. Drive! Finally, I'm here at Pomi, and I actually wanted to show you the thickest forest of Tibet. But I'm really sorry because we were today a little bit late, and tomorrow, keep on, I would like to show you the thickest forest of Tibet. Thank you guys. Good night. Have a nice dream. Tashi Delek from Pomi. That was a busy, interesting day and so many unexpected views to visit from Tingchen Chamdo to Pomi. And please don't forget to subscribe it if you like my video. And tomorrow I'm gonna drive till to Nato County, which is the lowest part of Tibet with approximately about 700 meters above sea level. And beside that, I'm also going to show you the thickest forest of Tibet in Pomi County. This is Jamyang. Welcome to Tibet. We are the one that can show you original Tibet.